Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering your GPS and confirming maps are accessible. This prevents lost data later. Once done, wait for a solid satellite fix so coordinates are accurate. Next, open the device's waypoint or mark menu and select New Waypoint. Enter a short name and a recognizable icon to identify the point on the map. You do this now because naming and iconing speeds route planning and avoids confusion when you add multiple points later. Now you'll place the waypoint precisely. Either tap the map to drop a pin, type latitude/longitude manually, or import a GPX/KML file from your phone or PC. Make sure you use the device's coordinate format, decimal degrees versus degrees/minutes/seconds, to avoid errors. After entering data, save the waypoint and immediately zoom in to verify it's on the right feature, such as a trailhead or intersection. This check prevents navigation. Finish by organizing waypoints into folders or a route so you can follow them sequentially. Add notes or ETA for context. Then sync to the cloud or export a GPX backup to your computer to preserve changes. Before departing, preview the route and simulate navigation to check turn points. If a waypoint appears misplaced, edit its coordinates or re-drop the pin. If map tiles seem stale, clear the device cache and re-download maps. This fixes display errors and keeps navigation reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.